Hello guys, and welcome to our second video about immunology and allergens. In this video I'll be explaining about the humoral and cell-mediated response.
The humoral response is where immune cells identify invaders as non-self and destroy the pathogen or foreign molecule. This is possible through recognition of cell surface proteins, which are called antigens, and then antibodies secreted by B cells bind to the antigens. The name humoral comes from humors, which means body fluids, and some of the immune cells are found in the bodily fluid. The battle between the immune cells and the intruders is initiated by the process of B cell activation. A B cell is triggered when it encounters its matching antigen. The cell then engulfs and digests the antigen. The resultant degraded cells are then presented on the cell surface. A matching T cell that then binds to the presented proteins, and the T cell secretes cytokines. This causes the B cell to reproduce itself exponentially. The antibody-antigen binding and stimulation is taken care of by the phagocytes. Phagocyte comes from the Greek and means to eat cell. The phagocyte cells protect the body by eating foreign particles, bacteria or dead cells. They keep our body safe on a molecular level. The cells that are involved are the B lymphocytes, which have specific receptors that bind to a specific complementary antigen. The B lymphocytes originate from undifferentiated stem cells in the bone marrow, but they mature and develop in the spleen and lymph nodes. Memory cells, which allow for a quicker secondary response, are extremely helpful when the body is exposed to the same antigen and will cause a cell-mediated response. The cell-mediated response doesn't involve antibodies, compared with the humoral response, but rather activates phagocytes or various cytokines or signaling molecules to fight against the antigen. The cell-mediated response happens when a specific antigen that has previously harmed the body re-enters again. A T cell receptor is stimulated when a specific antigen is detected on the antigen-presenting cells, causing the T cells to proliferate and activate. When the T cells are activated, they bind to the specific invading molecule with the antigen and destroy it. Special T killer cells through cytotoxicity cause cell lysis, or in other words cause the membrane of the cell to break down. Lysis literally means to unbind or to lose. T cells also activate the phagocytes, which attack and destroy the pathogens. B cells are also activated and they release the signaling molecule cytokines in response to the antigen. The release of cytokines helps the immune response with dealing with the intruders.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've learned about the humoral and cell-mediated responses. In the next video I'll be talking about the primary and secondary immune response. Goodbye and stay curious.